Here he comes. There he is. Him playing in Buddy and Rocky's area. Pretty boy. Roman. I can hear him snorting from here, can you?
Yeah.
Here he comes. Here comes the snort machine. Aren't we pretty? Good boy. Good boy. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Look how pretty. It's his language. Roman, what you think? He's trying to find every little crumb. Hey, boy. Pretty. Is that it? Is that all we get? Good boy. Roman. Hey. Hey. Roman. I see you hearing me. There's that snort. Look at boy, so pretty. He's never been out here before. This is his first time in Buddy and Rocky's area. He's going to take it all in. Got it all to yourself. There's nothing in the bucket, silly. Part pig.